kind of smells like cocoa butter. And yes, my video did just stop. But this is the second video. So this is the slime. It has glitter in it. And it's more of a jiggly slime, kind of. This is not what I was expecting. Hopefully this isn't like I didn't get scammed. So that slime, if I rate it 1 out of 10, I'll give it a 5. Like, that slime's not that good. Okay, so I'm guessing this is the blue sky, I think. Oh, this smells like blueberries. OMG, this slime is so good. It's like butter slime, but it's like not. It's like really thick, but then when you spread it, it's soft. Wow. Is this the butter slime? I hope it's really not. If I rate that one 1 out of 10, I'll give it a 9. That's pretty good. Is this one of the extras? Empty container. I think I found the butter slime. It's in a bag. So let's open it up. I can't get it out the bag. And this doesn't really feel like butter slime. But it does feel like magic model clay with lotion. And it smells like cocoa butter. And it's kind of pink. So not so bad. Now we only have 2 more slimes. So let's open up those 2. And there's 3 of those things, those towelettes. So this is the sunshine one because it's yellow. Oh, it's really small. Like, this was, how much was this? This was $5 of my money. I've been scammed. This is horrible. This red one better be good. And this red one was $6. This was $6. And it's bad shipping too. Okay, I'm getting bit by mosquitoes. But this is the slime. It's hard. This is the worst one. This is so hard. I can try to stretch it. This is horrible. I've been scammed. And I've been scammed. So now I'm going to be closing a video by adding in the scent. That smells so like lemon. Okay, so I'm just going to try to squeeze it in the slime or just like dab the slime on it. Oh, it's coming out. Okay, let's mix it up. That smells good. Now I'm just gonna wipe the scent on it. Now I'm gonna put it in the ball and like try to squeeze it. Okay, that's all I could get out of it. That smells like lemons. Here, take a sniff.